Now here we go. We are going to upload first of all the image that we just create. Click on the VG, right click and upload. By the way, if you want to download this image, you can click down below inside download background image number 2 and click OK in this case, going back and refresh. And as you can see, we have modified the background image. First of all, we are going to move again the background image all the way to the top. Let's go back to the CMS Gray and find the body image in here. We are going to add 180 pixels because remember, those were the pixels that these images are going to add. This one, and this one. So let's add 180, which will be equal to 372. Now before going forward, if you remember, on the last video we copied the HTML markup that it is going to be building the menu inside this Joomla template. And if you analyze the initial link in here, which will be the home link, it will have a special class with the name active. And we are going to be using that active class so we can apply the background, this one in here, the one that we create for the active menu. So let's go and scroll down inside the CMS Gray and continue styling these links from this Joomla template. Down here we are going to copy everything, Ctrl C and click enter. Then we are going to eliminate all these, but the color. We are going to change the color to white right there, and then we are going to apply the class active. Again, this will be an active class that will be inside the li element. So going back, li that and active. The next step will be applying the background, and because we are going to keep using the same background, the bg.png, we are just going to copy this background up here and then paste it down here. Ctrl V, and we are going to eliminate the no repeat to repeat X. The horizontal line will be changed to 0, and then the vertical line, let's go and analyze that. We are going to have 64 times 3, 64 in here, and this will be the image. So we are going to have 64 by 3, which will be 192. Let's go back and apply that 192 pixels. And while working in here, we are going to apply the hover very quickly. We are going to copy all this, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Let's eliminate all this backspace. Then we are going to apply the colon and the hover. The color inside the text will remain, well, we are going to change that one to white and check how that will look in this case. Then we are just going to copy this background and paste it down here. Let me indent. And finally we are going to change this vertical line. Let's go back and analyze how many pixels. You are going to have 192 plus these 60 pixels. So let's go back and we are going to add 60 pixels in here, which will give us a total of 252 pixels. Let's click Ctrl S and we are going to upload everything in the CSS. Right click, upload, click OK, and we are going to refresh. And as you can see, my friends, now the background has been fixed, and you can see now that we are going to have this image in here, which will be the black image, and this will mean that this link will be the active one. Now if you put the mouse inside the other links, you are going to be able to see the image that we create for the hover effect. However, if you put the mouse inside the active, the link won't change. Now you can fix this very quickly. You can go back and copy all these, Ctrl C and then Ctrl V. Then you are going to add the hover right there and change this number to 252 pixels. Control S, going back, right click and upload. Click OK, refresh, and let's analyze the links again. Now if you notice, the links are going to be working properly.